Same thing with Giselle Ducy. Nothing personal. Lahat ng mga players gusto siya. I yet have to speak to somebody who does not like Giselle Ducy. Mabait na tao. Good businessman. But, man, what a horrible PBA owner.
Okay. Well, all right. Iba talaga ang Homer Say pag nagbitaw si Homer Say.
No, it's just, hindi naman tayo we're not name calling, and I'll never resort to insulting. I'm just gonna say, like, in terms of yung competence, kagaya ba, Chito Victorino, the same thing, mabait na tao, but, when the going gets rough, and when it's really talagang dikitan na, he cannot coach to save his life.
Okay.
So, yun ang problema. Yun ang, but you criticize him based on his job description, pero hindi ka sasabi na, ganito, pangit, gano'n. No, I don't do stuff like that. That's beneath,
I agree with you.
That's beneath us, beneath the show, beneath